Today we're gonna study Finnish with my pupil, Heidi. First sentence. Wait. Paljonko maksaa sinua seksi?
Paljonko maksaa sinua seksi?
It means good appetite. Good appetite.
Almost, yeah.
Second sentence. Missä on sinua kulli?
Missä on sinua kulli?
Good girl. Good girl. 2020 on exam. Next sentence, by the way, meant what's your
Mama like.
Next sentence, we are gonna go a bit harder now. Puhutteko seksilainen?
Puhutteko seksilainen?
Very good. My pupil is getting. My pupil is progressing. My pubes. That's the Finnish girl. Say something really sexy in Finnish.
Minä olen seksi.
Minä olen seksikäs, missä on suihku.
Say something sexy in Swedish. Like, vilka bra! Let's say something sexy in song. No, you say something in one sentence. I say something in one sentence. We say both mixed sentences. 1, 2, 3. Heidi on niin petä! I know one thing. That's very important. No, Nadja. Estniska flicka knullar bra. Jabra fittar. Nadja. Jabra fitta. Moi. Jabra fitta, Heidi. Moi.
It means like you fucking whore. But I can't do it.
We do not use such harsh words in our language lessons. How could we? Okay, not just getting all horny behind the camera. So, huh? Okay, Heidi, let's talk about
Let's talk about sex, baby.
Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things that been happening. Bust a move!
Sex.
Fuck you!